welcome back to Red Ted Art. As you know, right now lots of people are observing Ramadan and you have been asking me for some printable Ramadan activities. So I got together with my friend, a crafty Arab, who helped me design this special Ramadan cootie catcher. It's a printable, it's fun to make, and it's also great to learn with. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So you will need some pencils and your printable, which you can get down below or up in the iCards. They're totally free. Print it out, as many as you need, and cut out along the edge of the square. Time to colour in, whichever way you like. I'm going to go with palm tree colours, and I'm going to use two different greens. Watch me colour in, and then we'll make our cootie catcher. We have our coloured in section. Now, as mentioned before, you can have a blank one and you can put your own questions. This is the one that we've done already, so it's got things like every Muslim should try to break their fast with dates. So, you know, different facts and quiz questions for children to learn about Ramadan. So to make your cootie catcher, the first thing is you flip it round, you fold it in half. This is to create some nice creases along the middle, which will help you later. And you fold it again in the opposite direction and you open it. So you now have a nice cross in the middle, and you take the bottom corner and bring it into the center. Here we go. Now I have a cat who's about to walk into the frame, or isn't she? Let's move the cat. Here we go. And you saw her shade there, shadow. Right, all hairy now. Bring that corner up. Gotta love a cat, don't you? Turn it round, corner up. Turn it round, corner up. So that's the first set of folds. Try and do it as neatly as you can. Again, flip and twist, and again, bring each corner into the middle. Each corner into the middle. Into the middle, and final one. Okay, so you have your basic folds complete. Now you fold it in half. This gives it a good crease. Open it and fold it in half in this direction. It will help with the next step. You take your cootie catcher, you hold it in the corners, and you push just the corners towards each other. And now you pull up the sides. And you have your basic cootie catcher finished. There we go. Isn't that great? And now you can say to people, you know, say number 1, 2, 3. You go 1, 2, 3. Pick a side, pick a question, and answer is underneath. And that's how easy it is to use your Ramadan cootie catcher with the date palm on top. So that was a special request from one of my viewers. You know who you are. I hope you like it. I hope this is a fun way to celebrate and discuss Ramadan. As per usual, you know, don't forget to keep watching and of course keep making. You can get your free printables down below. But yeah, we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.